ATRINA is absolutely new all-terrain vehicle on ultra-low pressure tires. It can be used to transport goods, equipment, people, and is also perfect for recreation and hunting, fishing and mining. The design of the all-terrain vehicle consists of two independent and absolutely sealed hydraulically driven boat frames that rotate about their axis and fold almost in half. Two hydraulic cylinders, which are used for folding and heeling, can be adjusted flexibly. It is possible to set any elasticity due to the variability of oil pressure. The depreciation of this unit is also supplemented by wheel pneumatic circulation. In the process of overcoming obstacles, the volume of air can move between the rear and front wheels, thus ensuring the passage of areas with difficult terrain. The all-terrain vehicle uses a 70 horsepower 4-cylinder gasoline engine as a power unit, which works together with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The maximum speed is 50 km per hour, fuel consumption 4 liters per hour. Also on the ATRINA are two fuel tanks of 60 liters each. The all-terrain vehicle is controlled by hydraulics, making turns and rolls is not difficult. The safety of the all-terrain vehicle is provided by a rollover roll cage. Cabin capacity is 2 people, body, 8 people. The ATRINA is equipped with low-pressure tires 1600 by 600, ground clearance is 600 mm. ATRINA is a truly versatile machine with excellent performance.